What's good, guys? How you doing? So we are in a new month, yes, and I feel like this month will be a good month. I believe I have that feeling. So let us jump into the chart and see if we are going to see an entry.
So guys, I'm in this two position now. This is my Nasdaq position. This is my SPS position. So let me show you guys my reason for entering the trade. So on SPS, we came, right? We swept this high on SPS, right? On Nasdaq, we are far from sweeping the high. This is the high, but I'm not taking this as an SMT because these are generated highs that price need to just go up and sweep immediately. So going to 1 minute time frame, we had this massive fair value gap here. I splitted my position, so we had this fair value gap from here to here. Then I entered, my stop loss was here on Nasdaq too. On 1 minute time frame Nasdaq, we had this fair value gap. We had break of structure here. I entered and my stop loss is here. So this SPS trade now, I'm holding it until Nasdaq goes up and sweep all these highs. That's when I'm closing this SPS trade. So let me show you guys how the position is on MT5. So this is my funding pips position running at 36 to $37 here, and my good funded position is running at 45 to $46. So I am going to update you guys on how the trade will end. But man, we are literally ripping up to these highs. So I'm going to update you guys on how the trade goes. You guys should stay tuned in.
So guys, we ended up hitting final take profit. Look at it here. So on my funding pips, I made $100. I would have been up more than this, but I initially took a $22 loss, which was because of I made a Thomas mistake. And on my good funded account, I'm up 122. I made $122, and I would have made more, but I did the same mistake, so that was why I lost $22. And on the good funded account, I think I'm $23 away from getting back to break even. While on my funding pips, I'm still like $200 away from getting back to break even. But I'm so happy that we started the month in profit, man. It's a good month. As I told you guys initially, it's looking like a good month, but it looks like a good month. So I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Peace. So guys, today I didn't take any trade. I came into the market. I was waiting for bullish entries because of the way the market was ripping up, and I didn't see. Even on 4-hour time frame, we were ripping up. On SPS, we even swept all-time high. So I didn't see any entry. Although I saw sell positions, but I was not sure. Let me use the English like this. I didn't have confidence on the sell entries. That's why I didn't take any sell position. And honestly, this is the first time I have come into a day and I'm like, okay, I am not sure of this entry, don't take it, and it's fucking working out for me. So man, no trade today. I'm so happy that I followed my instinct. So I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So till then, what's good, guys? How you're doing? So today, which is Wednesday, let us jump into the market and see what today has for us. So when market open on SPS for daily time frame here, we have already swept all-time highs and we have been going. On Nasdaq, We haven't swept all-time highs, but we are looking bullish, right? Also, we are forming a bearish SMT. So on 1 minute time frame, we had break of structure here. We had fair value gap, and I entered. Immediately I entered, I got stopped out. Let me show you guys the trades on my MT5. So, oh my, this is my good funded. I lost $47 on my funding pips. I lost $27, but I'm still looking to take another entry. I'm going to update you guys on if I take an entry or not. So guys, I took another position because of, if you see 5 minute time frame here, we have start lows. All these are start lows. I believe that price will sweep even all the way to this low. The same start lows are also on Nasdaq. Look at all these are start lows. So going to one minute time frame, we had this massive dump. This on Nasdaq. We had this fair value gap here. Then I entered, and it looks like I'm going to get stopped out because I entered from fucking here, man. And my SL is here. Then going to SPS, I'm out of this trade. SPS, the same thing. We had break of structure with this candle. We had this tiny fair value gap. I entered, and looks like I'm going to get stopped out. I know that the market direction was bullish, right? But I wanted to catch the bearish movement to go down. Yeah, because I wanted bullish SMT to form before I would consider taking any sell, any buy position. But let me show you guys the entries on my MT5. I think I'm so fucking good. So this is my good funded position. I'm running on $34 loss. I think I'm risking 61 on this position. Why on my good funded? Let's see. I'm running on a $34 loss, man. Like 4. Yo, if I get stopped out of this position, man, I'm just going to call it a day. I am actually going to call it a day. So I am going to update you guys on how the trade went. Or we can just stay and look at the chart together until I fucking get stopped out, because I believe I'm going to get stopped out of this position. The movement is just so crazy, man. Movement is just so cringe, so crazy. Like say, did they give me chance to like say market won't whine you? If you want to stop me, I beg. I know they whine me, I beg. I know they won't whine me. Back to my entry, man. Back to my entry. I'm going to update you guys. So till then. So guys, we ended up hitting final take profit. I was patient. I took partials sharp at some lows. I took partials and I am up. So this is my position on funding pips. I think I made it something dollar and I'm up. I covered up the loss that I had. And this is also my position on goods funded. I made it something dollars too. I covered up the loss that I had. And this month has been crazy. These 3 days has been crazy, man. Very, very crazy. I told you guys I believe in this month. I freaking believe this month will make sense. So I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, which is Thursday. So till then. What's good, guys? How you all doing? So today is another trading day and I am already on a trade. Let me show you guys the trade on my trading view and also how the trade is playing on my MT5. So guys, I'm in this position. Let me show you guys my reasons for entering this trade. You guys can remember that yesterday we dumped down and swept all these lows. Same thing on Nasdaq. we dumped down and swept all these lows. So as we swept those lows, we were now generating highs. You can see that we were generating nasty highs. These are the nasty highs. Even here, same thing with SPS. We were generating nasty highs. You can see all these highs. All these are nasty highs that price have to sweep. So going to 1 minute time frame, we came into this kind of equilibrium. You can see that time. Let me remove this line. You can see that I marked it here. We came into this kind of equilibrium. Then we had a break of structure up. Then on Nasdaq, we had this fair value gap here. So because of this fair value gap on Nasdaq, I took the trade on SPS. Now, my first take profit is this high, this high. Then my second take profit is when Nasdaq comes all the way to sweep this high. That's my second take profit. Let me show you guys the trades on my MT5. So this is the position on my MT5. This is my funding pips account. I am running on a $7 profit, while the position on my gold funded, I am running on a $22 profit. I took this gold funded position early. That was why. Had I know, I would have taken the trade on Nasdaq safe, because Nasdaq is the one that is giving a better movement. Like, look at this Nasdaq movement. As of here, we are on a almost a 1-to-1, man. Almost a 1-to-1. Can you fucking imagine? Why on this nasty SPS we are still dancing around there at a 1 to 0.49. But why I took this trade on SPS was because of we were so close to this low. So I wanted something that my SL will be closer to. That's why I took it here, because on Nasdaq, if I put my SL here, it will be so far. Look at this nasty ass movement, man. But my first take profit is here. I'm going to update you guys on how the trade go. I'm going to update you guys. So guys, I got stopped out on the positions on SPS. Now let me show you guys the losses on my MT5. This is my gold funded account. I lost $63, so I'm down $4,999. That is basically break even. Why on my funding pips, I lost $66, so I'm down 4,815. Man, this was a crazy position, because I don't know why we dumped when we had highs for price to sweep. All these nasty highs, I wanted price to sweep them, but I might still take an entry. So I'm going to update you guys on if I take an entry or not. So you guys should stay tuned in. So guys, I took a re-entry and it looks like I'm going to get stopped out. So as I got stopped out on that first position, we came down, we swept this low, and we are forming a bullish SMT. So since Nasdaq is the lagging pair, we had this break of structure here, we had this massive fair value gap here, and I entered. Now let me show you guys the trade on my MT5. I am out on the position. I lost $115 total today. This is on my gold funded, and on my funding pips, I lost $126 today. Crazy day, man. Crazy day. Actually a crazy day. Fuck. What's good, guys? How you all doing? So today is Friday, the last day of this week, and I am in the trade on my bot account, which is in a little bit of profit. Let me show you guys the thought process behind the trade. and the profits on my MT5. So let's jump right in now.
So guys, let me show you my reasons for entering the trade. As always, the same reason. We have stack lows. These are the stack lows. Same cheating on SPS, sorry, on Nasdaq, we had stack lows. So going to 1 minute time frame, going to 5 minute time frame, we came to discount of equilibrium. If I mark from here to here, we came into discount of equilibrium. On 1 minute time frame, we had this massive fair value gap coupled with this break of structure here. So I entered the positions. My first take profit is this low. Then my second take profit is when Nasdaq comes to sweep this last low. Like I always take the lagging index. I have no reason why. I always take the lagging index. Look at now, Nasdaq is faster than SPS, but it is what it is, man. Let me show you guys the trades on my MT5. So this is my good funded position. I'm running on a little bit of profit, and this is my funding pips position. I'm also running on a little bit of profit. So I'm going to update you guys on how the trade goes. You guys should stay tuned in. You guys should stay tuned in.
So guys, a quick update. The trade I got stopped out. Look at it here. I'm down 60 something dollars on both accounts, man. I started this week good and I'm ending this week bad. This trading no easy. No easy at all. But I'm not done trading sharp. I am still looking for a sell entry because I believe on this sell movement. So I am going to update you guys on if I take an entry or not. So till then. So guys, remember I told you guys that I will be taking a re-entry. So I took a re-entry. If you look at the chart, SPS swept that high, but Nasdaq was far from sweeping to this, forming a bearish SMT. So going to 1 minute time frame, we had a fair value gap, we had a break of structure to the downside, and I entered. So as I entered the trade, my first take profit is that low. My second take profit is this low. Then my last take profit is that low. So I'm going to update you guys on if we take profit or I get stopped out. If I get stopped out, it is what it is, man. Can't fucking kill myself. So guys, we lost the trade. Look at the trade on trading view and look at the losses on my MT5, man. I am down a lot on my 40 pips. Like, which kind of losing streak is this? Hey, Jesus Christ. I can't even complain again, man. I can't fucking complain again. I have to just take it. Now, I have to just go and sleep and cool my brain because this week, I started this week good and I ended it bad. Not that I did anything bad. I followed my rules, but still, the losses are still fucking coming, man. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. But you guys, I'm going to catch you guys next week, man. But you guys know what to do. Subscribe, like, turn on notification. Peace out, man.